Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing fine. And in this video, I'll be sharing you the eligibility criteria, the CTC, and the job profiles of some of the marquee companies that visit in the very premier colleges of the country. Make sure to watch the video till the very end. First of all, why I'm doing this? I want my second year, third year juniors and my first year juniors to know what all things they should keep in mind during their undergrad courses. Like, they should not get active backlogs. Even if they have got active backlogs, convert it into passive one so that they stand eligible in some of the companies, and they get to know beforehand, before their placement season, what are the companies they would be allowed to sit in. So 4 to 5 videos regarding this type of content will come up on the channel. Make sure to watch it and share the video. Watch it and share the video. Let everyone know. That these are the things they should keep in mind during their BTech days, so that they end up in a good reputed company. First of all, we'll see for Tata Steel. Tata Steel was founded way before in 1868. Is a global business conglomerate with a presence in over 100 countries, including steel, automobile, agrochemicals, automotive, construction. Tata Steel has an empire everyone knows: finance, consumer products and hospitality. See, the job profile for this company is management technical training, and 12 LPA is the CTC. Mechanical electrical EC is the preferred branch. 65% or 6.5 CGPA in 10 12th, 60%, 65% in 10 12th and graduation. And if you belong to SC ST category, you have the reservation 60% or 6 CGPA in 10 12th and graduation. Vedanta Resources is a diversified global natural resource and technology company, and 14.5 LPA. It's fixed plus variable plus joining bonus plus PI. So everything is included: joining bonus, your performance bonus in this CTC. CTC is the cost to a company per employee, whatever the total cost that the company is bearing on an employee, it's like that. So when you join, you get a joining bonus, you also have variables, you also have performance bonuses, and you have your in-hand salary that you get monthly. This 14.5 LPA, it may look very different when you'll get your in-hand salary. So it depends. CTC is different and in-hand salary is different. Preferred branch is mechanical, electrical, civil, metal, chemical production. Graduate engineer trainee is the job profile, and no active backlogs, 1 year gap, 60% 10 12th and undergrad courses. So when you look for the core companies, whatever the big players are there in core, they have 60% criteria in your 10 12th and undergrad courses. Larsen and Toubro. Larsen and Toubro is like they are engaged in core high impact sectors of the economy, and their integrated capabilities span the entire spectrum of design to delivery. Almost everyone knows about L&T, Larsen and Toubro. 6.25 LPA is the CTC for office based posting, and 6.80 LPA is the site based posting. Almost every branch is eligible. They generally prefer the civil, mechanical, electrical guy, but depending upon the vacancy, almost every branch is eligible. And this eligibility criteria, what you are seeing, it may change from time to time depending upon the vacancy, as I have told you. 65% in 10 12th and 65% in undergrad. No backlogs, active or passive. They have the age limit of 24 years during joining time. No gap year between 10th and 12th. This is important. So if you have gap year from 10 to 12th, let go of this company L&T beforehand. If you are even a single year dropper, you won't be eligible to sit in this company. When a company comes, there are 3 rounds. Aptitude round. First is your resume shortlist. Based on the shortlisting of the resume, you will be provided link for the aptitude round in your mail. And when you will successfully clear the aptitude round, you will go for the group discussion, and after that interview, technical interview and your personal interview. So if you have gap year, you won't be eligible to sit in the aptitude round. JSW is a $22 billion empire, is ranked among India's leading business houses, and 8 LPA is the CTC, mechanical, electrical, mining, metal, chemical production. Eligibility criteria for all the marquee companies is almost same. 24 years, you should not exceed 24 years during joining time. No active backlog. Minimum 60% in 10th, 12th and in undergrad courses. Job profile is graduate, engineer, trainee. AMNS, ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel, is an integrated flat carbon steel manufacturer, and the collaboration of Indian and Japanese companies. It's one of the very reputed company throughout the world. And when you will look for the CTC, it's 6 LPA during the training time. Mechanical, electrical, mining, metal, chemical, EC, CSC is allowed. 65% in 10, 12 diploma and in undergrad courses, and no active backlogs. Graduate, engineer, trainee. Guys, I've told you why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to help you out. So show your love, like the video, share this video in your respective branch group. And CTC, see, the thing about CTC is, like when you will graduate after 2 years or if after 4 years, it may change. Like if for certain company it's 8 LPA the CTC, it may get converted to 10 LPA. Don't solely focus on the CTC. You should focus on the work culture of a company. You should focus on how good a company is. Is it a multinational company? Is it a startup? Its work culture. Will I be working overtime in that company? If so, will I get some benefit? So that why are Tatas and Birlas so famous? I'll tell you, their work culture. Anyone you would ask about the work employee of Tata and Birla, about their work culture, they say it's very healthy. Connect with the seniors, connect with someone on LinkedIn who is working in these companies, and they will tell you everything. But certain company, even if they are paying you lucrative amount, they do not have a very good work culture. So Birla Group is a conglomerate, is in the league of Fortune 500. Conglomerate, it's a different sectors combined. So it has all the sectors: fashion, aluminium. It has companies like Ultratech Cement is under Birla Group, Hindalco is under Birla Group. So it's a conglomerate, and it's in Fortune 500. 1,40,000 employees it has, 100 nationalities, in 100 nationalities. 7 LPA, mechanical, electrical, mining, metal, chemical. 7, 7.5, 8 LPA, depends when you will graduate. It may get converted to 9 LPA also. And see, the CTC is 7 LPA, but after there are certain things, like if you complete 2 years, they'll give you bonuses like 1 lakh, 2 lakh. These are for some of the companies. But the CTC, what you will get in the training period, that's what is being reflected on the screen. 60% in 10, 12th, no active backlogs. Active backlog you shouldn't have. I've told you from the very beginning, if you have active backlogs, make it passive. 1 gap year allowed in between any education qualifications. You have been asking me, I'm a double dropper, which all companies am eligible. I hope you are getting the answer in the video itself. Graduate, engineer, trainee is the job profile. Jindal Steel is a stainless steel manufacturer. Jindal Steel, stainless steel, and has an annual melt capacity of 3 million tons and an annual turnover of 35,700 crores. That's $4.3 billion. It's located in Haryana and Odisha, an overseas unit in Indonesia. 8 LPA is the CTC, mechanical, electrical, metal, chemical, IT, CSC. These are some of the very marquee companies of India. 65% 10, 12 diploma and undergrad courses. No active or passive backlog. Should not have more than 1 year of gap in between any academic qualification. Graduate, engineer, trainee. Jindal Saw, supplier of iron and steel pipe products, fittings, and accessories with manufacturing facilities in India, USA, Europe and UAE. That was stainless steel. This is iron and steel pipe products. I hope you know the pipe products, rods and all. 6.5 LPA is the CTC. Mechanical electrical metal, 60% in 10th, 12th and undergrad courses. No active backlogs, D2Ds are not allowed, and 24 years during the joining time. Eligibility criteria might change from time to time depending upon the vacancy. But this thing, I think you are focusing on two things that's constant: no active backlogs and 60% in your 10th, 12th and undergrad courses. Welspun, let's see for Welspun Corp, 6 LPA, mechanical electrical metal, 60% in 10th, 12th and undergrad, no active backlogs, and GET, graduate engineer training. Jindal Sadid, aligned with the vision of His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq Al Saad to reduce country's dependency on oil gas sector. I think it's based in Middle East. Jindal Sadid has a $1.1 billion turnover, and CTC is 20k USD per annum. You can convert it into Indian rupees and see. Mechanical electrical metal, job location is somewhere in the Middle East. 60% 10th, 12th and 70% in undergrad, means more than 7.5 CGPA is the eligibility criteria. No active backlogs. Person with color blindness is not eligible. Companies also have medical criteria that you need to pass. Color blindness, night blindness, from they'll list down the medical criteria also along with the eligibility criteria. So color blind is not allowed. Graduate engineer trainee is the job profile. TCS, your favorite company. Tata Consultancy Service is an Indian multinational technology company specializing in information IT sector and consultancy. Is headquartered in Mumbai. TCS, everyone knows, it need not any introduction. Your favorite job profile: TCS Ninja 3.3 LPA, Digital 7 LPA and Prime 9 LPA. All branches eligible. And no active and passive backlog. I think something crept in there. One mistake is there. You can have both active and passive backlogs, doesn't matter in TCS. Age gap 18 to 28 years, maximum 2 years gap allowed, 60% 10th, 12th and undergrad courses. Visa Steel for 5.5 LPA, mechanical electrical metal, 60% in 10th, 12th undergrad and no active backlogs. Shyam Metallics, very old, this is also an old company, very old company, is a leading integrated metal producing company based in India with a focus on long steel products and ferroalloys. 6 LPA, mechanical electrical metal. Preferred branches, these are the core companies, so you would see what are the preferred branches. 60% and above in 10th, 12th and diploma. And Gimba Consultancy, let's see, this is for the Gimba Consultancy, 7 CGPA in undergrad courses, and the job profile is consultant, lean consultant. This is the MG seating, designs seating products and mechanical, and this is the eligibility criteria: design engineer after the training period. If you have doubts regarding any of the company, you can write it down in the comment section. I've told you why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to help you out. When I was in the first or second year, I never knew कि in certain companies passive backlogs are not allowed in the first year. So guys, stay away from backlogs and stay very far away from active backlogs. Active backlogs are way more scarier than you know. Ask someone from the final year. If you are in the first year, second year, third year, you don't know how much of a trouble you are if you have how much of a trouble you are in if you have active backlogs. And those of you who have multiple active backlogs, you are in deep trouble. Convert it into passive ones and stay away from backlogs, that I would say. And even if you have passive backlogs, list down all the companies you are eligible. You have plenty of company if you have passive backlog. Prepare accordingly, have a command on your communication skill, and rest everything will fall in places. I think I'm making myself very clear about the eligibility criteria and about the CTC, about the job profile. I hope I'm able to help you out. Even if I'm able to help 15 to 20%, even 5%, if I'm able to even clear 10% of your doubts, I will find this video useful. I would really do find this video useful if I'm able to clear some of your doubts. And if your doubts are getting cleared, make sure your friends doubts are also getting cleared. Share this video in the group itself. Share this video everywhere. Show your love, like the video, subscribe the channel, and enjoy, have fun, enjoy in the campus, have fun, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.